Anong gusto mo sa isang lalaki?
Ay. Matangkad.
Narinig mo, pero...
Matangkad, may sense of humor. Moreno. May. Tat. Hindi naman sense of katuwa. May lahing bulldog.
May lahing bulldog. Ayos ah.
Moreno.
May lahing bulldog.
Ay.
Moreno daw.
Moreno daw. Magpa-sunburn ka na doon.
Mag-fighting ka lang dyan.
Hindi.
Mag-fighting ka lang dyan.
Hindi.
Okay na?
Gusto ko makapal kilay. Physical. Kapal kilay. Maganda mata. Tama silong. Pati lips. Perfect. Pati lips. Perfect.
A few moments later.
Possible kong i-date na adult or ano? Kahit sino. Ano yan.
Di, kami lang dalawa.
Sila lang dalawa, kay close man sila.
Huwag mo nang tanggalin yung
Ayos to ah.
Ayos to.
Be the one that's gonna last. Be the one that got your back. Nothing ever that bad that we would be together. Though we both made the mistakes, and so we never wish we made. But we would be okay if we just